What's happening? It's your boy Kevin Love. This is not a special request. This is a video I've been wanting to shoot for a long time. Here it is. My beautiful Hoover Tempo and my beautiful Hoover Elite. I've always loved these old school Hoovers. I got tons of these in my collection. Like tons of them. Way too many of them. From Hoover Elites to Runabouts to Hoover Tempo, Soften Lights. Those type of Hoovers just really get my attention. Basically, mainly because I grew up with those as a child. But it's like, I've always liked the styles and like the customs of them, you know? So, I guess that's the reason for me doing this video. But anyway, here we go. Hoover Tempo and Hoover Elite. Let's run them both. I'll get closer so you can see them both. Both American made. I think I'm gonna start with the Hoover Tempo first. Hoover Tempo. Tempo. Simpo. Tempo. Simpo. Pimpo. Let's do it. Out of all my Hoovers, this one and my Blue Elite, it's probably my two favorite Hoovers. And the red one that I just posted. Oh, what the hell, they are my favorite. I don't have a favorite. Let's go ahead and run this one. Two sweepers I see as keepers. I never sell them. I just won't. No, that's a beautiful view. Please go ahead, come watch, like, and subscribe. It's your boy, you know who, Kevin Love, and I'm out. Peace. I'll be back with more videos.